Dear students, good evening. Sorry for not conducting the classes. I was busy in some other classes. Today we will learn about the electrical laws. The first law is Ohm's law. It states that the current flowing through any conductor is directly proportional to applied voltage and inversely proportional to resistance, provided temperature remains constant. If you combine 1 and 2, I proportional to V by R, I will be equal to V by R. Why? Because K is equal to 1 by R, where K is the constant of proportionality sign. So therefore, Ohm's first equation is I is equal to V by R, which is measured in ampere. If you manipulate the equation, V will be equal to I into R, which is measured in volt. And third one is R is equal to V by I, which is measured in ohm. Its symbol is third one. So these are three forms of the Ohm's law. Now we can discuss about the power equations. What is that? Power equations. We know that electrical power is the product of voltage and current. So that is P will be equal to V into I, which is measured either in watts or kilowatt. But according to Ohm's law, just we learned, V is I into R into I, that becomes I square R, is also one of the power equations, is measured in watts or kilowatt. And the third equation is P is equal to, now V if it is kept as it is, if you substitute the value of I as V by R, then the equation will become V square by R is also measured in watts or kilowatt. So these are the power equations. Anywhere you can calculate the power by using these three equations, whichever the parameter is with you, that you can apply. If V is there and I is there, you can use this formula. If I and R you are having the parameters, then you can use this formula. If V and R is there with you, you can use this formula. Then the next is energy equations. We know that electrical energy is the product of power and time. Electrical energy is the product of power and time, which is measured in watt hour or kilowatt hour. Now you can utilize the power equations here. If you substitute the value of power as V into I into T, then one more equation you will get. That will be also in watt hour or kilowatt hour. And the third is, if you are using I square R into T, is also one of the equation which can be measured in watt hour or kilowatt hour. Lastly, E will be also equal to V square by R into T, is measured in watts or kilowatt hour. 1 kilowatt hour will be equal to 1000 watt hour, which is called as Board of Trade unit. According to this, we are utilizing the energy and the electrical charges will be based upon this unit only, Board of Trade unit.